out there is the water and the sewer that we're using for our new place, which is that guy. So what I have to do is dig a trench from there, actually gonna go the other way, from behind the building, around the back, and then out to the street. So let me show you how that's gonna look. Again, street, building, going behind, and here I am behind the building. The water's gonna come out over there about 2/3 of the way down the building. Sewer too, I'm doing the water line first and deeper. It has to be at least 42 inches deep here. Otherwise you'll have freezing issues. So I'm gonna switch my camera to time lapse now and dig away. Using my cell phone camera, I guess I'll bring you guys on board. Here's my fancy mount. Can you see that? Bungee cords with the head of my tripod, and here's my phone video mount. Let's see if we can get you guys adjusted here so you can see in the hole. There we are. Yeah, let's try that. Well, I'll spare you the sickening vibrations. I guess a few things. I wish I had a smaller bucket. This one's like 16 inches wide. It's just too wide to dig in this. The next thing, very, very hard ground. Not many rocks, but just really, really hard dry clay. And I can't get a bigger excavator in here. You know, even if I didn't have the ROPS on, a bigger excavator boom would not work. And this is my dad's excavator, so I'm just using what I have. It's better than a shovel, I have to say that much. Well, that's it for the day. Just about 4 feet deep. And there is a lot of rock. Just to the left of where the excavator is sitting, well, where the bucket is approximately where the pipes are going to come out of the house. So, again, this that I'm digging here is going to be the water line. And we're going to lay that all. It has to be deep, like I said. And then after that's done, I'm going to fill it in. And then beside the building here, I have to dig down like 18 inches for the sewer line. And that's going to be a 3-inch pipe that runs out to a grinder pump, and the grinder pump's going to be like 30 feet from the building. This is probably going to be the worst digging anywhere here because you can kind of see the grade The grade would be about there. All of that stuff up there was dug out to facilitate the contractor getting in his scissor lift, which he did. So grade is about there, there, probably about the steps there. So I'm digging down what would be about 9 feet below the old grade. And of course, you dig down 9 feet almost anywhere in Pennsylvania, and you're going to have lots of hard rock or clay or other impossible digging situations. I'd say this is doing pretty good.